In this demonstration we're going to look at adding and managing host groups. So the purpose of a host group really is to give me delegation. So what we can do here is we can create groups of Hyper-V hosts, and by creating groups of Hyper-V hosts we can then delegate access to these Hyper-V hosts. We can also use them for placement of virtual machines as well. So what I've done here is I've just come to my virtual machine manager, sitting in my VMs and services, and what I'm going to do here is just under all hosts I'm just going to right click, and what I'm going to do at this point here is create a host group. Right, this host group here I'm just going to call it local group. And now that I've created this group, next thing to do is to add some hosts. So the easiest way to add the host is to drag and drop. So what we'll do is we'll just drag the hosts in the host group. Now we've created the group, if we right click on the group, we've also got some properties on the group as well. So by just clicking on the properties here, we've got the general page here. So in the case of description, I could put in description here. We can allow unencrypted bit file transfers. It says it offers improved performance but is less secure. We've got our placement rules, so we can use the placement settings from the parent group, or we can specify our own placement settings. We've got our host reserves yet again, so what we're doing here is we're specifying on the Hyper-V hosts exactly how much space resources are set aside for the Hyper-V operating system. Our dynamic optimization, so we can use dynamic optimization settings from the parent host here, and the purpose of this is to balance out our virtual machines across our Hyper-V hosts. Then we've got our network settings, so we can inherit the network logical resources from the parent hosts if we have created any of the virtual networking. We've got exactly the same thing for the storage, and we have our custom properties as well. So we'll click OK at this point here. We've now created the host group, we've added the host to the host group, and that's the end of this demonstration. Thanks very much.